Hello, you're welcome to this tutorial video, and I congratulate you for being able to purchase BrainBox. Oh yeah, I'm congratulating you because of the massive and exclusive function the software promises. Now, what is this BrainBox all about? BrainBox is the first AI chatbot creator software that gives you the opportunity to create your own ChatGPT-like website that can help you perform many tasks such as writing of articles, writing codes, creating content for ebook, for your sales copy, marketing, blog posts, story, just name it. Right. So now to start with, you have to create your own chatbot here. When you click here, you have create chatbot. You click on it. So you're gonna have something like this, and all you just have to do is to input your bot name and your bot logo to create your own chatbot. Yeah, so you input your name here, say maybe Dan chat. Okay, now you've done a chat, create something new. Then you click here for your bot logo. So you pick your logo and click on upon, right? And it's been uploaded already. You must make sure that the image must be less than 2 megabytes in size, right? Then you click and submit. And as you can see, site successfully created. Now what do you have to do? Okay, you may decide to click on the link here and check the chatbot you've created, but then before that you can actually monetize the chatbot you've created, right? Okay, before you monetize it, let us click on the chatbot we've created and you see, yeah. So what do you have to do first? As you can see, we have voice reply here, and once you click on it, it will be activated. It's activated already, and the moment you input any prompt here, the response, the content being generated will be read out for you automatically, right? So now this icon is for you to send, and this is for you to do a voice recording, and it will be transcribed here. If you want it to perform any tasks for you, you can just click on this recording icon here, and whatever it is you say will be transcribed here, right? So now let's try out a particular prompt here. And just like you can see here, this chatbot can actually answer any question on any topic for you. It can write code, generate content, or whatever task it is you ask it to do, and it's going to do that for you almost immediately. Right now, let us ask this to write a code for us. We can just say create an exclusive HTML opt-in page. Let's see what's gonna happen. Then you click on this icon here. Oh yeah, it has started creating
opt-in page body.
The opt-in page
Font
for us
family,
already.
sans serif. Font size 1.2 M. Hashtag opt-in form. Width 400 px. Margin 0 auto.
Still
Padding
writes in 8.
20 px. Background color.
And that is it.
F2F2F2.
It's done already. All you have to do is to just
1px
copy
solid
this
hashtag
code.
CCC.
Copy
Hashtag
the
opt-in
code.
form label. Display. Block. Margin bottom 10 px. Hashtag CCC. Hashtag opt-in form input
I've
type
pasted the
equals
code
submit.
here, and then I'm gonna
Background
run it.
color. Hashtag
run.
0099.
Right. And
Color.
here it is.
Hashtag FFF.
Sign up for exclusive
Padding.
content.
10 px.
Enter your email address to get exclusive
Order.
content and
None.
updates. Email address,
Cursor.
you
Pointer.
put it here, and you
Sign up for exclusive
that's created
content.
this
Enter
for
your
me.
email address
Just
to get
within
exclusive
few
content
seconds.
and updates.
That's not massive,
Email
not
address.
interesting. So now let's go back to our BrainBox. So now we can ask BrainBox to perform another task for us. And we can just say, create a blog post exploring the top benefits of our weight loss product, right?
If you're looking to lose weight and get
Here
healthier,
you go.
our weight loss product
creating
can
the
help you
content
achieve
already.
your goals.
I mean the blog post.
Here are the top benefits of our weight loss product.
You see?
1. Increased energy. Our weight loss product helps to boost your energy levels,
This is
allowing you
super
to stay
amazing.
active and motivated throughout the day. 2. Improved metabolism. Our weight
what
loss
is
product
exclusive?
helps to speed up your
What is
metabolism,
amazing
allowing you
most
to
about
burn more
this is that
calories
you will
and
be able
lose
to
weight
own
faster.
these yourself.
Free
Let us check for another one. Creating code. I mean, just rewriting it and see what the output is gonna look like. Code suitable for SMEs. Okay, let's see.
Website.
As you can see,
Product categories: clothing,
Right, and
electronics,
it's
home
ready.
and garden toys and games, sports and outdoors. Featured products. Product 1 price,
see,
$10
different
add to
from what
cart.
is
Product 2
created the other
price,
time.
$20
see.
add to cart. Product 3 price, $30 add to cart.
Right. This is massive. This is interesting. I mean, still writing. Still writing. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This is marvelous. Now all you have to do is just copy it again. Copy the code. Right. And you. Yeah. Then you run it. And here you go. Welcome to our SME e-commerce website. Product categories: clothing, electronics, home and garden, toys and games, sports and outdoors. I mean, our chatbot created all of these itself. I mean, this is amazing. This is highly interesting, and you're gonna love it. There is no doubt about that. So, and that is it. Whatever content, whatever output that the chatbot has actually created for you here, you can export that as PDF, right? And the moment you click here, it will automatically download as PDF to your computer, right? We're gonna make use of the monetized bot here, just to make sure that the chatbot that we've actually created here, the bot we've created here, we're gonna monetize it. And how do we do that? You create a monetized bot, and all you have to do here is to just upload the bot banner here. Now you click here to choose the file. So you pick your banner and you click on open, and it will show here immediate that. So here you have to input your URL, and how to get that: you can get your link from any affiliate network such as 𝗵𝗲𝗁. You can get your link from any affiliate network such as 𝗵𝗲𝗁, 𝗺𝗿+, ClickBank, etc. Now, to get your 𝗵𝗲𝗁 top offers, you click on this link, and of course, as you can see here, you will be able to get any product you actually want to promote. You'll be able to access any offer here, and the moment you just click on it, you'll be able to promote the offers. Right now, let's check 𝗺𝗿+ as well, and the moment you click on it, you will be redirected as well. And once you get to this interface like this, you just have to scroll down a bit to access the offers here, right? You can just click on this. Okay, you can just click on this request. Then here you click on request approval, or you may decide to look at the sales page just to read more about it. Then you click on request approval. Now here you may write some request note, but it is optional. You can just proceed by clicking on request offer here. And as you can see, success, your request has been sent to the seller. You will be notified via email when the seller accepts or rejects the request, and that is it. Once you receive your affiliate link, you just have to return to BrainBox here and you input your affiliate link here. As you can see, I have my affiliate link already and I input it here. So 𝗁𝗏 link. Then what you do next now is to click on this box and you pick the particular chatbot that you've created earlier, right? And you link it up. So we created AI identity, and that is what I have selected here. Now what you're doing is to click on submit button here. So now as you can see here, a banner is displayed already, as you can see here. Okay, now to access our chatbot again, we have to come to chatbot here. You click on it and you click on create bot here. And of course you have a list of all the bots you've created, and now we have to click on it again to see if the banner will reflect there. As you can see, we have a banner displayed here already, and once any of your customers, once any of the users actually clicks on this, they will be redirected to a page like this, and the moment they click on the link to make purchase, you earn your commission automatically, and that is how you begin to make money even while sleeping. So now let us go back. It's very simple. The moment you just link it up, everything will be fixed for you here, and that is it. Is that not beautiful? I believe you're gonna love it. Now let's go back to our BrainBox. We've got a whole lot of tools here for you to make it up. Now when you click on AI tools here, you have a list of various features that you can actually make use of. Now here we also have an inbuilt BrainBot. Apart from creating your own chatbot, we have inbuilt BrainBot here, and once you click on it, you will be shown an interface like this, and just like the chatbot that we created earlier on, you have a space here where you can enter any prompt and it will perform any tasks for you. We also have voice reply here, right? Once you activate it, whatever output that is being given out, it will be read out automatically for you. Now with this, let us input a prompt. So we can just input something like this, right? Let's see what the output will look like. So as you can see, it's creating the keywords for me already.
2 cement production
keywords
process.
related to cement
3
production,
cement plant operations.
right?
15
So now
cement
let's check
production
another
trends.
AI tools here. We have
16
image
cement production
generator.
best practices.
So now what this AI image generator does for you, will be able to have any image whatsoever that you want. So now let me see. Okay, now market and review market out review side. You may decide to change the resolution here. Let me take medium. Now the number of images that you want, let's say 5, then generate image. So as you can see, the images have been generated successfully, and now you can just click on any of the images, and once you just click on any of the images here, you're gonna have it zoomed out like this for you, and you should be able to download any of the images at all, right? So once you just come here, you click on this button here, the image will be downloaded automatically to your computer, and that is it. You may decide to download all of the images depending on your choice, right? So that is that, and you can decide to delete it. You have the delete icon here as well. So now let's check another tool here. We've got AI image variation. You click on it. This AI image variation, of course, will allow you to have different dimensions, different variations as to how your image can actually look like. You have the original image, and as you can see in one of the examples here, in what I've created here already, you have the original image here, and the image variation here gives you a different view of how your image can actually look like, either zooming it or giving you a different flip of the particular position or the particular outlook of your image. Now let's try it out here. You just have to input the name of the image you want to upload here. let me say, okay, let me use another pet. Okay, pet. Now let's see. Then you have to choose the image. Meanwhile, you have to ensure that the image must be a square PNG image less than 4 megabytes in size. Right, now you click on choose file here. Then you pick the particular image you want to input here. Then you look at the image resolution. You may want to pick medium. Let me use medium. And you may want, let me just use one. Then you generate image. And as you can see, this is generated variated image right here. And as you can see, there is a huge difference between the original image and the image variation that we have here. And you must note the fact that the image resolution affects the kind of result you have in your image variation, of course, right? As you can see in the earlier version of the image, in the earlier image that I actually variated, right, I picked small, and that is why the result I have here is actually sort of small compared to the new one where I picked the medium resolution, medium size, of course. So you need to put that into consideration. Now here you can as well download the image, the new image variation you have here. You can just click on this icon and you download it, right? That is amazing. And once you download it, you have the variated version on your computer, right? And that is that. So we have another tool here, which is image to video, AI image to video. And once you click on it like this, you will be taken to this interface, and this is where you'll be able to create video slideshow maker, where you'll be able to put some of your pictures together and turn them into AI video, of course. Now the very first thing you have to do here is to click on select photos to mark the pictures you actually want to make use of. Click on this. So now once you've marked all the pictures you want to use, you just click on open and you click on upload photos, and so you have the photos here. You just scroll down to check to confirm if the pictures are all there. Right, they're all there. Good. Now you can as well add an overlay text to each of the photos you have here. Like here, I can just say environment. So, and after doing that, meanwhile, you must ensure that this button is actually activated, so you make use of the overlay text. Of course, it will be there automatically like that for you. Now you can input any audio file you have on your computer. Once you click on it, you'll be able to upload that here. But then we've got some here for you, and you can just variate. You may decide to pick another one, but then I'm using the one here already, Dreams. Then you can play it here and check if it's actually working right. Then create video. Make sure that you can actually create either HD video or full HD. Any one you want to pick, that is your choice, right? So I'm picking HD. Now let's create video. So good, it's loading already. You have to wait a little bit. Yeah, so it's 100% already. Download the video here. So that is that about the AI image to video. So now let us look at AI image editor. You just click on it like this, and you have the interface here. And what you're required to do here is to upload 2 images, one original image and one mask image. The mask image will be it will just be like your original image, but it has to be a masked image, a masked version of the original image, right? And you must ensure that both images are in PNG format and that they do not exceed 4 megabytes, right? So you choose it here. You pick the original image, open, then you pick the masked image, you open, and you can just say snake. Okay, put a snake there. You scroll down, you can change the resolution if you like, or the number of images. Now edit image. As you can see, the image has been generated successfully here. You've got the original image here, and you have the edited image here. Now you can just click on it to view, and as you can see, we have the snake in our image now, right? Because when I input the prompt here, I wrote a snake, and that is why you have a snake in the picture and the image here, and it appears on the masked part of the image, right? So that is it. You can actually put something else you would like depending on your choice. Okay, so that is that about image editor. As well, you also have image library. You click on it and you will be taken to this interface, right, where you have different images, and any image can just pop up from you depending on your choice. Any image can actually show up depending on what you search here. Let me search for, say, a cow. Let's see if that will come out. So then click on it. Got that, right? And of course, you can save it on your system. Just click on save, and it is saved. It's downloading here already, right? So you can have that, and you can search for anything. Just name it. You can search for anything of your choice, right? So that is that. And we also have, as part of our AI tools, AI video library. And here is the interface for AI video library to search for any video you want. Okay, let's say raise. Okay, let's say raise, or let me include now to raise. Let's say something will come out. Yeah, so that's it, and these are the videos, and you can just click on any one of them and it will start playing. Okay, this is playing already, as you can see. That's a raise. That's a raise. You can play these to chat as well. Okay, you can see they're moving already, and of course you can play any of the videos, and they will play for you. So that is that about that. Thank you very much.